Hello, it's the Nifty Scrapbooker here, bringing you another issue of scrapbooking tutorials. Today we're going to be unboxing a Creative Memories consultant kit. So you'll see what you'll be able to get when you join Creative Memories, as I have done just recently. So we'll head into that right now and see what I got in the mail. And welcome to another issue of the Nifty Scrapbooker. Today we're going to be unboxing my Creative Memory box. If you can see that says Creative Memories. And I just signed up to be a new consultant. So let me set this box aside and I'll show you what comes in the consultant kit. For the month of April, May, and June, you can get, this is what you'll get. You'll get 5 catalogs. And these are full color catalogs. This catalog is good for April through June. If you see, it all starts here, and then it shows you all the different products that Creative Memories sells. And we're going to be going, next video, we're going to be going over their custom cutting system. And then what you get is you get this beautiful album, the medallion album. It's in this beautiful blue. It has this medallion shape across, embossed into it. It's really shiny embossing on that. And then let's just go ahead and open this up. If I can get a hold of the tape, let's see, get a hold of this plastic, get this plastic started. There we go. They make theirs out of book cloth, and this is very durable. I have albums in my collection that are 20 years old that look still brand new. Here's the instructions of how to add using the flex hinge. Get this piece of cardboard out of there, and this is how your album comes. An album like this, especially an album like this, costs about $35.50. For a basic album that doesn't have any designs on the front, it's $28.50. And they come with flex hinges. But you not only get that, you actually get 16 pages. 16 pages, refill pages. It comes with 16 white pages and page protectors. And these just strap right into this album. So this will fill this album with 32 different pages of scrapbooking. And see, that's how you build your scrapbook. It'll get in that hinge and it'll be on the inside. That I don't have it hinged up so it'll be all smooth on the side here because I'm just adding that. And so it comes with that, and on the back here, inside this cardboard, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see here. So in this, when you sign up for a year, it's $49 a year to be an advisor for Creative Memories. And when you do that, this is what you get through June 30th, is you get this packet. So take all that off of there. Page protectors. Got all that. So here's our pages. There's 16 pages here. And these are the sleeves. Now what makes their sleeves so great is their sleeves actually go on this way. So when you hold your book up, right on a bookshelf, this is closed. It's sealed at the top. So dust and stuff can't get down inside your pages and collect on your embellishments or anything like that. So that's what you get. Now, not only do you get all this stuff that I just showed you, is you get $10 off your first order. And so this first order, I ordered these things. And these are part of the custom cutting system. We have a red blade, we have a blue blade, and we have a green blade. Now I'm getting, this is the old mat that I'm using here. You see it on the back of my videos. You've seen these blades, and these just flip over here like this and get put back in there. There's our blade, cutting blade. And these are, the reason there's 3 different blades is there's 3 different widths. So I'll just kind of show you here this product a little bit. And what's nice about it is these swivel. See how that rotates on there? That rotates on there. And so those rotate too. So you have your, if you just see your blades here, the blade is really close to the pegs here, really close to those pegs there. We're going to flip this one around. And that's a little further away. And this one, If you look at this one's even further away. So let me just take, let me get a piece of scrap paper here. And we'll just get here we go. Let's see how big we have a scrap paper. I'm trying to find a decent size in my scrap drawer. We'll use my piece of brown paper here that I tried to cut some stuff out on, and we'll find my custom cutting system. This is the circles. I'm going to be showcasing this before, but if you see here, if I put this on the track, and let's do the inside. Let's do the inside of the large one. That way I can get all 3 circles on here. Let's try the medium one. Make sure I can get all 3 circles on here. Okay, so we get that in the blade. We simply cut around like that. There we go. We got a circle. There we go. Now, if I take the same cutter and use the green blade, put this green blade on here. We get a slightly smaller circle. Did you see that? And if we take the last blade, our blue blade, which is even further away from our pegs, and there we go, we get even smaller. So if I would look at my guide, that's our medium blade. So we actually have measures 2 inches. This measures 2 1/4. And this is 2 1/2. So those are the 3 sizes you can get with using the different blades here. So that's what I got for my extra $10 as part of the custom cutting system. I already had the circles already purchased, and I just got the new blades. Aren't those great? So that's what you get with a new kit. You don't necessarily get these blades, but what I did is I ordered all 3 of these blades and got $10 off the purchase of those. So that's what you get. You get the 5 catalogs. You get the beautiful, beautiful album with pages and protectors. And then you get product. $10 off your product. So those are the things you get when you sign up to be a consultant. $49 a year, that gives you your website to sell and gets you commission on everything you sell. So if you want to be able to be a creative memories consultant, you can just go on to my website and sign up to be an advisor. And if not, you can go sign up to look at the end of the link at the end of this video. You'll see the link to go on and order Creative Memories stuff. Let's say you want these new custom cutting system and get these new blades, you can do that. And what I love about these is when I'm not using them, I just flip them around, and then if one of my kids gets a hold of them, they're not going to cut themselves. And it protects the blade too while in storage. So that just pops right off and snaps right back in there. See, isn't that great? And so if you want to go to my website, it's at www.creativememories.com/cm/TheNiftyScrapbooker. We'll see you next week, and well, maybe in just a few days, to show you how I use this custom cutting system in a page layout, along with the Kiwi Lane cutting system. So we'll be taking a look at both of those this week. So we'll see you next time on The Nifty Scrapbooker.